Good morning, students. In our last video, we have already learned about one of the punctuation mark, that is capitalization. I hope you all have watched that video and understood the concept of capitalization. Today we will talk about ending punctuation marks. Before moving those punctuation marks, let us revise capitalization. When do we use capitalization or capital letters? We use capital letters in the beginning of every sentence. What does it mean? It means that capitalization is used in the beginning of a sentence. Means first letter of a sentence is always capital. You can look at the following sentences or examples to understand this concept. We are going to the mall this afternoon. You can see here W is capital in this sentence. My dog is my best friend. Again, M is capital. Mr. Vance is the best teacher. Again, M is capital. So, from these sentences, we came to know that first letter of a sentence is always capital. After that, we also know that whenever we use I means मैं. Whenever we eyes, whether it is in the starting of the sentence or in the middle or in the at the end, we use it with the capital letter. So I is always capital. Then what about names? Names and title are always capitalized. Whenever we write a name, whether it is our name or a name of any place or a person, we always use capital letter for that. You can also say that proper nouns are in capital letter always. Let's see an example. Jackie wants to see to the store with mom and dad. Here he went to the store with his parents. So his parents, mom and dad, M and D would be capital here. So these were about the capitalization. Let's move to the next topic, that is, let's take a look at the end marks. End mark means those punctuation marks which we use at the end of a sentence. Remember, the end of a sentence always need an end mark. जब भी हम किसी सेंटेंस को एंड करते हैं, किसी सेंटेंस को ख़त्म करते हैं, वी नीड वन पंक्चुएशन मार्क देयर ऑलवेज. अदरवाइज हमें पता ही नहीं लगेगा कि कहाँ पर वो सेंटेंस ख़त्म हुआ है. सो वी यूज़ a punctuation mark to end a sentence. When to use exclamation mark? Before moving exclamation, let me tell you about the full stop. So full stop shows ending of a sentence. Any sentence which is a statement, so that statement refer to the full stop. हमेशा उसके साथ हम full stop use करते हैं. If I say my name is Geeta, so Geeta, after Geeta you will put a full stop to show the ending. Then where to use exclamation sign? Use an exclamation mark to show excitement or strong feeling. जब हम excitement या strong feeling की बात करते हैं, इफ़ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट योर बर्थडे पार्टी और आप किसी चीज़ को देखते हैं, बहुत खुश होते हैं, दैट शोज़ योर एक्साइटमेंट. जब आप सरप्राइज़ हो जाते हैं किसी को देख कर या फिर कोई आपको गिफ्ट मिलता है, तब तो अगर जब हम उस एक्साइटमेंट की बात करें या फिर हमारे स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग्स की जब हम बात करते हैं, वो यूज़ एक्सक्लामेशन साइन देयर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वो दैट इज़ अ ग्रेट हेयर डू. सो वो कोमा दैट इज़ अ ग्रेट हेयर डू. ये हेयर डू अच्छा है, जो हेयर स्टाइल है वो अच्छा है, तो स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग इज देयर, सो वी यूज़ एक्सक्लामेशन साइन हेयर. लुक आउट फॉर दैट ट्री. उस ट्री की तरफ देखो. अगेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग पर्टिकुलर, सो विल यूज़ एक्सक्लामेशन साइन हेयर. When to use a question mark? When asking for information, use a question mark. When we are asking something to some other person, जब हम किसी से बात करते हैं, क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं, उसके लिए हम क्वेश्चन मार्क यूज़ करते हैं. इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस के लिए हम क्वेश्चन मार्क को यूज़ करते हैं. So when we ask information, use a question mark. Look for words like W family is there, who, what, when, where, why or how. For these all words, the sentence which is beginning with these words, जो कि इन वर्ड से शुरू होगा, तो एंड में हम हमेशा क्या यूज़ करेंगे? क्वेश्चन मार्क. when are we going to there? हम वहाँ पर कब जा रहे हैं? W family is there, when is there, तो we will use question mark here. What are we having for dinner? हम डिनर में क्या ले रहे हैं? Again you are asking a question, so you'll put a question mark at the end of the sentence. When to use a period? Period is another name of full stop. So I have already told you that a full stop shows the ending of a sentence. An affirmative sentence always ends with a full stop. Use a period at the end of a sentence that is a statement or a command. Any sentence which is a statement or a command, that sentence would be end with a full stop, or you can say a period. For example, I love my kitty. I love my cat. It is a statement. So you'll put a full stop. Remember, you have to use capital letter in the beginning of the sentence. You can also see here I is capital. Next is clean up your room. C is capital as it is the first sentence, and at the end you are putting full stop. Let's review the exercise. Choose an end mark to complete each sentence. You have to look at the sentences carefully and then choose which are the sentences where you will put a full stop or an exclamation mark or a question mark. Side by side, you have to check where you have to capitalize the लेटर्स, जहाँ पर आपको कैपिटल लेटर करनी है, और साथ में फुल स्टॉप, क्वेश्चन मार्क और एक्सक्लेमेशन साइन आपको कहाँ यूज़ करना है. लेट्स टेक द एग्जाम्पल वन बाय वन. वेयर डिड आई लीव माई शूज़? वेयर डिड आई लीव माई शू? सो चेक द सेंटेंस एंड टेल मी विच एंड मार्क should be here. You can see that where W family is here. So यहाँ पर ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है कि मैंने अपने शूज़ कहाँ छोड़े. So you will use question mark here. Put your toys away. This is a command. So we will put a full stop here. P is already capital, so we do not need to write the correction here. So put your toys away. We will end with this a full stop. Hey, comma, that's my ice cream. Hey, that's my ice cream. So it is a strong feeling, and for the strong feeling we use exclamation sign. So at the end we use exclamation sign. My dog's name is Fifi. My dog's name is Fifi. So this is a statement. We'll put a full stop. How do you make a cake? It is a question asked by someone, so we will use question mark. We are late for dinner. We are late for dinner. It is a statement, so we'll use full stop. I don't want to take a bath. I don't want to take a bath. Again, strong feeling is there. So we will use an exclamation sign here. So I hope you all have understood the concept. Answers are given here. So you have to try some other sentences to check whether you have understood the concept or not. This is all about today. Thank you. Have a good day.